This is the Vevor Fogger Sprayer. It sprays up to 38.7 feet. This thing is awesome. Vevor makes really good quality stuff. Comes with a manual here, everything you need to know and to put it together. Very easy to put together. And here's what the end looks like. You got the start and stop here with all the buttons you need to get it started. You got nice straps here that are super comfortable and very cushiony on the back here for long periods of use. Lots of different uses here. It does come with this to help you get the gas inside of there, which goes right here, and then also you pull this to get it started. It does come with a bunch of accessories like ear protection, gloves, things like that. We do have the dust switch right here. Now they have a couple different ones to choose from. This is the 4-gallon one right here. You can put whatever product you're going to be using, and this is what it looks like on the outside. Again, Vevor makes really good quality stuff, and it looks great as well. Here's what the end looks like here. Again, they have a bunch of different ones for you guys to choose from, so pick out the one that suits you. Highly recommend checking this one out, picking one up for yourself.